Hi, and so today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to wall hop on Roblox. So first of all, all you need to do just go and download Roblox on your PC, and then of course you can even use it on uh, phone. So of course when you download it, just go and open it, and you will find this as your home screen or your main screen once you log in into your account. So of course if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create one, then log in into it, and you'll find yourself here. Of course here you may have different games, not just like this. And of course from here, let me just go and join a game, and I'm coming back to show you how to wall hop on Roblox. So of course simply I just typed testing area, and I found here a game that I can test on it. For me, I'm just going to click on it once and then log in into this game and coming back to you again. So sorry, what you actually need to do, just go and type well hope, and of course choose whatever you like from those to start going into this tutorial. So as you can see, once you actually here, you'll need to go to any thing you want. As you can see, go to any wall you want to start with. So simply, if you want to wall hop, simply first of all you need to click at escape, then go to settings. From here you would like to turn this on, which is the shift lock switch. Of course turn it on. Then all you need to do, just face the wall that you want to wall hop it. Then of course face the camera like this, make it at the upper side for you. And of course when you do that, all you need to do, just click at the shift button, then click at W and space, then make sure to actually start moving your uh, camera on the right, on the left, and on the left. So just when you click at shift once, just click on it once, don't no click W and space, then right left, right left, right left. And as you can see, wait, let me just position my camera like this, and wait, as you can see now I did it. And of course you will be able to practice it and did it on the other wall. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.